Okay students, class 11th mathematics CBSE. Today we are taking chapter number 4, the remaining questions of the chapter number 4. Okay, this is fourth part of this chapter. This video is fourth video of the chapter number 4, that is principle of mathematical induction. Okay, here in this principle of mathematical induction we are proving the mathematical statements. Okay, mathematical statements, a statement which involves the mathematical relations. Okay, and in principle of mathematical inductions we use three steps. Okay, first of all we verify the given statement. First of all, we verify the given statement by taking the value of n, that is natural number. We take the value of n equals to 1. After that, we take the value of n equals to 2. When the given statement is true for n equals to 1 and n equals to 2, we say that the given statement is true for n equals to 1 and n equals to 2. That is why it is verified. Okay. After that, in second step, we assume, this is assumption step. We assume that the given statement is true for n equals to k. N equals to k means particular term is true. Okay, for the given mathematical statement. And in last step, that is third step, we prove induction. Means this is induction step. In this we prove that the given statement, given mathematical statement is true for n equals to k plus 1. Means one step extra than the assumption step. Okay, and lastly we say that the given statement is true for n equals to 1, n equals to 2, n equals to k and n equals to k plus 1. That is why the given statement is true for all natural numbers. That means we generalize our relation. We generalize our conclusion that the given statement is true for all natural numbers. We generalize our result up to all natural numbers, and this is the total process, or this is the algorithm of the principle of mathematical induction. Okay, here we are taking the question number 19. Up to question number 18 we have already done in previous videos. Now today we are taking question number 19, that is prove that n into n plus 1 into n plus 5 is a multiple of 3. Okay, means this is mathematical statement. This is mathematical statement represented by Pn. Pn means polynomial of n. Okay, and we have to prove that this mathematical relation, this mathematical statement n into n plus 1 into n plus 5 is a multiple of 3. This is multiple of 3. Okay, so we will start from the verification step. So verification. Let n equals to 1. Let n equals to 1. Left hand side is equals to, left hand side is this. So 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 5, that is equals to 1 into 2 into 6, that is 12. And 12 can be write down as 3 into 4. 12 can be write down as 3 into 4. So for n equals to 1, left hand side is multiple of 3. That we want to prove. Okay, means result is true for n equals to 1. Result is true for n equals to 1. That is P1 is true. Implies that hence verified. Okay, so our first step is concluded. First step, you can also verify this result for n equals to 2 if you have time in your exam hall. Okay, Now the second step is assumption step. Assumption. Okay. Now in this step we will assume that the given mathematical statement is true for n equals to k. So let us assume that Pn is given mathematical statement is true for n equals to k. Given mathematical statement is true for n equals to k. That is means what is true? True is that n is replaced by k into k plus 1 into k plus 5 is equals to multiple of 3, that is 3 into m. 3 into m, multiple of 3. We have assumed that the given statement is true for n equals to k, means up to kth term. This statement is true, means when we put n equals to k in this, that is k into k plus 1 into k plus 5, and this is multiple of 3, so equals to 3m. Okay, now this is true. We will use this assumption step in induction step. Okay, now induction step. Now we will show that Pn is true for n equals to k plus 1. Now our target is to prove this. Okay, means Pn means given mathematical statement is true for n equals to k plus 1. So put n equals to k plus 1 in this. That is k plus 1 plus 1 k plus 2, k plus 1 plus 5 k plus 6 is a multiple of 3. We have to show this now. We have to show this. Okay, assumption was true as we have let that. Okay, assumption was true, but induction is to be proved that it is true. Okay, so now we will show that this one is multiple of 3 using assumption. Okay, so start from this. Starting from k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 6. Okay, k plus 1, k plus 2 and k plus 6 after splitting 2-3 terms, we have to obtain this term, so that we can use this k into k plus 1 into k plus 5 equals to 3m. Okay, so this is equals to k into multiply k plus 1 into split this term. First of all, split this term k plus 1 into k plus 6 plus 2 multiply k plus 1 multiply k plus 6. Okay, now we have split k plus 2. We have split k plus 2 in k and 2. So k and 2 multiplying k plus 1 and k plus 6. Okay, now we have k plus 1, k plus 6, and we want k plus 5. Okay, so here in this step, k into k plus 1 into k plus 6 can be write down as k plus 5 plus 1. K plus 6 can be write down as k plus 5 plus 1, plus multiplying this k square plus 7k plus 6. Okay, again splitting this bracket, we will have k into k plus 1 into k plus 5 plus k into k plus 1 multiplying with 1 plus 2 into k square plus 7k plus 6. Okay, 2 into this term will remain unchanged. We will change only k plus 6, that is k plus 5 plus 1. Okay, now this is equals to k into k plus 1 into k plus 5, k into k plus 1 into k plus 5, this is equals to 3m. So put 3m here, 3m plus 3m plus, now multiplying this k square plus k plus multiplying this 2k square plus 14k plus 12, and this is equals to 3m plus k square plus 2k square 3k square plus k plus 14k 15k plus 12 plus 12. Okay, now throw out. Now throw out from this expression we can take 3 as common. 3 as common, so taking 3 as common, n plus k square plus 5k plus 12. Okay, n plus k square plus 5k plus 12, and this is equals to lambda. So totally this is equals to 3 into lambda. Totally this is multiple of 3 because 3 is multiplying with this, that is why this is multiple of 3 and can be write down as 3 into lambda. 3 into lambda. So this was equal to the left hand side of the induction. Left hand side of the induction is multiple of 3, means left hand side of induction is multiple of 3. Okay, and that we want to prove, that we want to show. Okay, this implies that Pn means mathematical statement is true for n equals to k plus 1. Given mathematical statement is true for n equals to k plus 1. Okay, now what we have to write down? In this process we have shown that the given statement is true for n equals to 1, n equals to k, and n equals to k plus 1. Implies that, or therefore Pn is true for n equals to 1, n equals to k, n equals to k plus 1. Hence Pn is true for all natural numbers. Okay, so this is the total solution of the question number 19. Question number 19 we are solving, and the previous questions already solved in previous videos. Okay, for if you want to see previous questions, see the previous videos. Okay, this is part number 4 of the PMI, that is principle of mathematical induction. Now question number 20. Now let us take the question number 20. So question number 20 is exercise 4.1, that is PMI, principle of mathematical induction. Question number 20 is Pn, that is mathematical statement, is given as 10 to the power 2n minus 1 plus 1 is divisible by 11. Okay, now we have to show that this mathematical statement is true for n is equals to true if this is divisible by 11. Okay, this is true. We have to prove that this statement is true, means this statement is divisible by 11. Okay, so first of all, you know every step. First of all, verification. So verification, let n equals to 1, then left hand side is equals to 10 to the power 2 into 1 minus 1 plus 1 equals to 10 to the power 1 plus 1 equals to 10 plus 1, that is 11. And 11 is divisible by 11. 11 is divisible by 11. Implies that Pn is true for n equals to 1. First step. Now second step is assumption step. Assumption step. Let us assume that Pn is true for to k, that is 10 to the power 2k minus 1 plus 1 is divisible by 11. That is 10 to the power 2k minus 1 plus 1 is equals to 11 into m. 11 into m. Okay, when it is divisible by 11, it means it is multiple of 11. That is why 11m. Okay, now induction. Now the last step is induction. Now we will show that Pn is true for n equals to k plus 1. That is what we want to show is 10 to the power 2k plus 1 10 to the power 2k, put n is equals to k plus 1. n equals to k plus 1 means 2k plus 2 minus 1 2k plus 1. So 10 to the power 2k plus 1 plus 1 is divisible by 11. Is divisible by 11. Okay. So this is our target. This is our target, means now we want to show that this one is divisible by 11. Okay. So 10 to the power 2k plus 1 left hand side is equals to, this should be multiple of 3. When multiple of 3, multiple of 11. When multiple of 11, then it is divisible by 11. Okay. So this should be multiple of 11. To prove this, we have already told you that to prove this statement we have to use the assumption step. Assumption step means 10 to the power 2k minus 1 plus 1. That is equals to 11m. Okay. So write down this 2k plus 1 as 2k minus 1. So 10 to the power 2k minus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is plus 2. 10 to the power 2k minus 1 plus 2, that is 2k plus 1. Okay. So 10 to the power 2k minus 1 plus 2 plus 11. And this can be write down as 10 to the power 2k minus 1 multiplied by 10 to the power 2 plus 1. And this one, 10 to the power 2k minus 1. 10 to the power 2k minus 1 from this step is equals to 11n minus 1. So 11n minus 1 into 100 plus 1. And this can be write down as 11n into 100 minus 100 plus 1 equals to 11n into 100 minus 99. Minus 99. Minus 100 plus 1, that is minus 99. Now this one is taking 11 as common, 100 and minus 9. So this is multiple of 11 or divisible by 11. So divisible by 11. Divisible by 11. Okay. So we have proved that a given statement Pn is true for n is equals to k plus 1. Implies that Pn is true for n equals to 1, n equals to k, and n equals to k plus 1. Hence Pn is true for all natural numbers n belongs to n. Okay. So this is the solution of question number 20. Okay, we have not wasted any amount of time. Now taking another question without wasting any time, taking the next question number now taking the question number 21. Okay, question number 21. X to the power 2n minus y to the power 2n is divisible by x plus y. The given mathematical statement is x to the power 2n minus y to the power 2n divisible by x plus y, is divisible by x plus y. This is the question. This is the question that we wanted to prove. Okay, so let us start with verification step. So verification. Let n equals to 1. N equals to 1 means x to the power. N equals to 1 means left hand side is equals to x to the power 2 into 1 minus y to the power 2 into 1 means x square minus y square. X square minus y square, and after factorizing this x square minus y square, we will have x minus y and x plus y. X minus y and x plus y. So it is multiple of x plus y, that is divisible of x plus y. Okay, now implies that divisible by x plus y implies that Pn is true for n equals to 1. Pn means polynomial of n or the mathematical statement. Here Pn is representing the mathematical statement, that is why mathematical statement is true for n is equals to 1. Now assumption step. Let us assume that Pn is true for n equals to k. That is what is true. X to the power 2k minus y to the power 2k is equals to divisible by x plus y. Divisible by x plus y means equal to x plus y into m. X plus y into m or m into x plus y. Okay, now the induction step. In this step we will show that Pn is true for n equals to k plus 1. Pn, given mathematical statement, is true for n equals to k plus 1, that is pk plus 1. Statement is pk plus 1, and what is this? X to the power 2k plus 1 minus y to the power 2k plus 1 is divisible by x plus y. Okay, is divisible by x plus y. This is induction step. So we will start from left hand side as usual. We will start from the left hand side. So start from left hand side using the assumption step. Using this is assumption step. Starting from left hand side, using this we will show our result. Okay, so left hand side of the induction is x to the power 2k plus 2 plus y to the power 2k plus 2 minus y to the power 2k plus 2. We will show that this is divisible by x plus y using the assumption. So this can be write down as x to the power 2k into x to the power 2 minus y to the power 2k plus 2. Split the power of x. Split the x term x. Okay, in x to the power 2k and x to the power 2. Now from this step, this assumption step, x to the power 2k is equals to x plus y into n plus y to the power 2k. So this is x plus y to the power n plus y to the power 2k into x square minus y to the power 2k plus 2. Okay, write down and solving the given expression. This expression should be multiple of x plus y or divisible by x plus y. So this can be write down as x plus y n into x square, multiplying x square plus y to the power 2k into x square minus y to the power 2k into y square. Y to the power 2k multiplying x square minus y to the power 2k into y square. Now this is equals to x plus y into m into x square plus taking y to the power 2k as common. Y to the power 2k as common, x square minus y square. And again x plus y into n x square plus y to the power 2k into factorizing this, we will have x plus y and x minus y. Factorization of x square minus y square, you know very well, that is x plus y and x minus y. Now taking x plus y as common, taking x plus y as common, x plus y mx square plus y to the power 2k into x minus y is equals to lambda into x plus y. This one is equals to lambda, where lambda equals to mx square plus y to the power 2k into x minus y. Y to the power 2k into x minus y. Okay, so this is multiple, this is left hand side of the induction is multiple of x plus y divisible of x plus y. Okay, so what we want to prove is proved. Okay, now implies that therefore Pn is true for n equals to k, sorry, n equals to 1, n equals to k, n equals to k plus 1. Hence Pn is true for all n belongs to n, all natural numbers. Okay, this was question number 21 of the exercise 4.1. Now the next question and last question of today's video, that is question number, taking the question number 22. Okay, question number 22, and the remaining questions are home assignment for you. Take the remaining questions and they are as home assignment for you. Okay, so question number 22, very important question, that is Pn. Pn is mathematical statement 3 to the power 2n plus 2 minus 8n minus 9 is divisible by 8. Is divisible by 8. Okay. Prove the given mathematical statement using principle of mathematical induction that 3 to the power 2n plus 2 minus 8n minus 9 is divisible by 8. Okay, this is divisible by 8. Now as usual the first step is verification. So verification is Pn n equals to 1, so left hand side is equals to 3 to the power 2 into 1 plus 2 minus 8 into 1 minus 9, 3 to the power 2 plus 2 4 minus 8 minus 9, 3 to the power 4, that is 81, 1 minus 17, that is 64. 64 is a multiple of, can we write down as 8 into 8 is divisible by 8. Okay, divisible by 8, so hence verified. Pn is true for n equals to 1. Okay, now the assumption step. Let us assume that Pn is true for n equals to k. That is 3 to the power 2k plus 2 minus 8k minus 9 is divisible by 8. That is 8m. This is assumption step. Now induction step is Now we will show that Pn is true for n equals to k plus 1. Pn is true for n equals to k plus 1. Okay. So Pn is true for n equals to k plus 1 implies that is 3 to the power. Put n equals to k plus 1. 2k plus 4. After putting n equals to k plus 1, we are having 3 to the power 2k plus 4 minus 8 into k plus 1 minus 9. Minus 9 is divisible by 8. Is divisible by 8. Okay. So this is our target. This mathematical statement is our target, and we have to show that this is multiple of 8. Divisible by 8. Okay. So let us start with the left hand side of the given mathematical statement and using what we have to use. Do you know what we have to use? We have to use the assumption step. This step we have to use. That is why I am not wiping out this. So let us start with left hand side of induction. Left hand side is 3 to the power 2k plus 4 minus 8 into k plus 1 minus 9. This is equal to 3 to the power 2k plus 2 into 3 to the power 2. 3 to the power 2k plus 2 into 3 to the power 2. Splitting 2k plus 4. Splitting 2k plus 4 in 2k plus 2 and 2. Okay. So minus 8k minus 8 minus 9. This is equals to. Write down this from assumption step. That is 8n plus 9 plus 8k multiplying by 3 to the power 2. That is 9 minus 8k minus 17, and this is equals to 8n into 9 plus 9 9 is 81 plus 72k minus 8k minus 17, and this is equals to 8n into 9 plus 81 minus 17 64 plus 72 minus 8 64k. Okay. Now throughout this expression, we can take 8 as common. Taking 8 as common from throughout this expression, we are having 8 into 9n plus 8 plus 8k, and this is equals to lambda. That is why this is 8 lambda. This is 8 lambda. So what we have shown? We have shown that the left hand side of the induction is multiple or divisible by 8. Implies that pk plus 1 is true. Okay. Means hence or therefore Pn is true for n equals to 1, n equals to k, and n equals to k plus 1. Hence Pn is true for all natural numbers n belongs to n. Okay. So this was question number 22 of the exercise 4.1. This was last question. Of the exercise. So we have completed today the principle of mathematical induction. Now you have to complete your home assignment and just put the copy to check.